Hi everyone, welcome to Foodie Vibes. Today we are making grilled chicken skewers in dough. Let's get started with the marination first. I have already cut the chicken into cubic pieces nearly 4 cm in size, and note that the chicken should be well drained after washing. We'll add 1 cup of yogurt, some papaya paste which will act as a tenderizer, some fresh lemon juice, garlic and ginger paste, and some dark soy sauce. Mix all together. Next, we'll add the dry ingredients: pepper, salt. Here we have some red chili powder and paprika powder. And finally some turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and roasted coriander powder. Then I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil together. The butter will make the chicken juicy and soft. Cover and let marinate at least 3 hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. Here we have some green and red bell peppers that I have cut into cubes, also 1 large onions into chunks. I have soaked the bamboo skewers to prevent burning. Now we'll assemble the chicken onto the skewers. First we'll thread 1 piece of the chicken, 1 piece of onion, 1 piece of bell peppers, again the chicken, another piece of onion and the bell pepper, and secure with last piece of chicken. We'll then repeat the same process for the rest. Next, I have already heated a grill pan here and drizzle some oil to prevent sticking. Place the skewers on the pan and let it grill on medium flame. We'll turn the brochette in between so that it is well cooked, and it will take approximately 12 to 15 minutes to grill. We'll let grill until we get the nice charred colored texture. Repeat same grilling process to the other brochette until we are done. Here is a simple recipe how to prepare chicken skewers in dough anytime that we can enjoy during any gathering. So healthy. Hope you have liked my videos. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.